Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I had put a video out a few days ago where I had got some turkey. Where's my thing at? Some turkey legs. And I had already told y'all, I asked y'all opinion or whatever, but I had already told y'all what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to stuff this bad boy with some old school cornbread stuffing or dressing. In the southern we say dressing. That's what I'm gonna do with these. Look at these. Y'all know I'm not a fan of turkey. I don't like turkey at all, but with this I might like it because if I do eat turkey, it's gonna be the turkey thighs or the drumsticks. That's what I like to eat. So what I've done, I washed this turkey off and I'm gonna season it up, put it in the oven. It's gonna take about 2.5 hours to cook this approximately. If I use my experience enough to cook this turkey leg. In the meantime, while it's cooking, I got some left. Y'all know I always have leftover cornbread I put in the freezer. And I'm gonna make some, I got some, hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let me move around in here. It just ain't never organized. Y'all just get tight here. Make sure I have it over here. Oh yeah, I got it right here. Got it right here. I'm gonna make some. Gotta have the sage sausage. I'm gonna make some cornbread dressing, and I'm gonna stuff in this turkey leg. Now I never did a stuffed turkey leg, and they got a restaurant here in Houston area. I don't know if it's still open. They've been going through some issues lately. Called the Turkey Leg Hut, and they have stuffed turkey legs with all kinds of stuff, with crawfish stuffing, macaroni and cheese, all kinds of stuff. They stuff the turkey leg with. So I'm gonna do mine. My little spin off of them, but I'm gonna stuff mine with cornbread dressing. So first thing you gotta do, I know common sense, I can't just take this turkey, cut it in half and put the stuffing in there and think that's gonna work. I gotta cook this turkey down. At least 99% cooking. If we come back after it's cooked, we're gonna split it in half to the bone. I'm gonna stuff my cornbread stuffing in there, where it's gonna be raw, and I'm gonna finish in the oven, finish it off in the oven till the cornbread stuffing is ready. So with that being said, let's get to work here, y'all. I'm gonna put a little oil on my turkey legs here so the seasoning can stick to it. And we're gonna season these bad boys up, y'all. A little olive oil, a little vegetable oil, doesn't matter. Any kind of oil will work. Wash my hands here. And I'm gonna put just some salt and pepper on there. Put a little Uncle Steve shake on there. Bird shake. Steve, you watching, you gotta send me some more bird shake out. I gotta get with him. Okay, put a little bird shake on there. That's gonna help me with the color, y'all. Not only the flavor, it's gonna help me with the color as well. Grab me a spoon here, y'all. Y'all know people say, you don't use L. Yo, yes, I still use my calendar. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna turn this over in just a second. I'm gonna do the other side. A little salt and pepper. One thing about turkey, y'all, you have to season a lot. Because you know turkey is bland, 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 bland. Well, I do not like turkey. I don't like it. I don't want no brown turkey. I don't want no turkey sausage. I don't want nothing to do with no turkey. It's just bland and boring. Okay. A little bit more here. Seasoning really, really good, y'all. A little bit more Cavendish here. Now I'm gonna cook this uncovered for about, I want to get a good color on it for maybe about 15 minutes or so. A little more bird shake on there. And we're gonna, then we'll cover it up and let it cook. I might put a little liquid in the bottom and we'll put it in a casserole dish here, y'all. Chicken seasoning is on there. Make sure the casserole dish. You can fit in that casserole dish just like that, y'all. All that seasoning on there. We don't want to waste not, have not, right? My buddy Daddy Jack would say. He rest in peace. Okay. We're gonna put this in the oven for about 10, 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. I want to get some good color on this. And we come back, Let me turn it over here. I want the good skin side up on this bad boy. Put the skin side up on this bad boy, y'all. Y'all probably say, oh, that's stuck in there. Believe me, when it start cooking, y'all, you know it's gonna shrink a little. And I want it in a dish like this, y'all, because I'm gonna put a little liquid in there. So try, if you got a little casserole dish, a little baking pan or whatever, try to put it in there, because I'm gonna put a little water in there. So anyway, we're gonna step off, get this cooking. We'll be back right before I cover it up for the final cooking process. Not final cooking process, but the long cooking process. So anyway, we'll be back. Old school stuffed turkey legs. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Let me show y'all. I know y'all seen me make dressing before, but like I said, I'm putting a lot of sausage in here, y'all, with my stuffing, because I wanted to really stand out as well, have an extra meat like they be doing. All I got in here, y'all, is sage sausage, celery. I got my little onions I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna put a little chicken base in here and some water. Usually I have some homemade turkey stock to add to this, which I don't, so I'm gonna have to add some chicken base to this. And we're gonna let this simmer about 2 hours, y'all. Hold on just a second, y'all. Put a little chicken base in there. There we go. Gonna fill this up with water. Water in here, y'all. A little sage. And we're gonna let this bad boy simmer. This is gonna be the base for my dressing. Or we'll call it stuffing today. So we actually are stuffing it. We're actually gonna be stuffing it. Let me put a little dried sage in here, y'all. Gotta have that sage, right? That's the key. A little bit more water in here, y'all. Like I say, y'all, I want more meat than normally, than cornbread, because I want that meat to stand out in there. Like I said, this is the first time I told y'all in the video, I'm gonna be doing some first time stuff I never did before, so y'all need to get ready. I wouldn't say this is fancy. I guess it is a fancy way to eat turkey. So I'm gonna let this simmer, y'all, for about until close to the turkey getting ready, at least a couple hours. I'm gonna let this simmer on the back of the stove and let them flavors marry together. And then I got, like I said, I got my cornbread right here. See, I already crumbled up, and I'm gonna just add it to the cornbread with some eggs. You know how we do dressing. And we're gonna stuff it right in the turkey, and I might put some on the side too. It's gonna be good eating. I gotta see if I got me some cranberry sauce laying around. You know I gotta have me some cranberry sauce anytime you use some turkey and stuffing, right? So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Once the turkey get brown, I'll show you that procedure. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, see the nice color I got on here? That's what I want right here, y'all. Find my tongs here. I don't know what I did with them. I'll just use my fork here. See this? Nice color on here. Now, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna cover this up, put a little water in here. We're gonna cover this up, because it's cooked like this about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna need another couple of hours on this here. Going to tin up. I'm gonna put a little water in there. We're gonna cover this up with foil completely. And like I said, cook it another 2 hours. And when we come back, after 2 hours, we'll be ready to stuff these bad boys with the cornbread stuffing dressing. So 350 degrees also in the oven, y'all. I don't think I told y'all that earlier. I did 350 degrees, 30 minutes uncovered. And then I did 350 degrees for about 2 hours. Low and slow, y'all. We're gonna get this bad boy tender. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. It's been 2 hours. Let's see what we got here. Oh my God, y'all, this is so tender. This is so tender, y'all. Look at this here. Okay, y'all. Now, let's get to work here. All right, I got a plan here. You know me, I'm always thinking of a plan how I'm going to do this. Now, I'm going to transfer this to another baking dish. I want to allow space, so I got my big boy here. Okay, what I want to do, I want to put a little stuffing on the bottom. I know all that stuffing, I got enough to go inside it, but I'm gonna put a little here on the bottom. Kind of spread it here, just kind of give it a little bed there, y'all. Something to lay on. Something to kind of lay on. Kind of look good there. That old cornbread. Call it stuffing today. We're gonna call it stuffing today, y'all. Now just a little thin layer there, just something to lay the turkey on. Okay, y'all with me? Is everybody with me back there? Janet, Kenneth, Gina, Curly, oh yeah. Y'all ain't listening. Okay, we're gonna get this bad boy up here. We're gonna lay that one this way. See what I do. You know what? We're gonna do it this way, y'all. We're gonna split. Oh yeah, you're gonna do it this way, y'all. Oh yeah. Way with this one. Oh, I'll be out y'all way in a minute. Yep, you're always in the way. Can't see nothing but the back of it. The back of mine look good, y'all. Okay, put this one over. Alrighty. Okay, now, I already know how I'm gonna do this. Now we're gonna get a knife here. Gonna split that bad boy up as much as possible. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh yeah. This one here look like it's already gonna split for me. Oh yeah, now we're gonna put that stuffing right in the middle of this. Y'all see where I'm going here? Y'all see where I'm heading? If y'all ain't, you're sleeping. Okay. Got my stuff in here. We're gonna stuff that bad boy just like in there. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Some more over here in this one. This one say he wants to come to the party too. He wants to come to the party. We got this one here. It's already opened up there for me. Look at that. Look at that. And all that juice right there, y'all. You know I ain't throwing that juice out. That's gonna go. We're gonna layer that juice right up on this here stuffing. Okay. That juice is in this pan right here. You know we ain't throwing this away. This is flavor. We're gonna pour that right up on there, y'all, just like this. Just like that. Just like that. It's gonna be, and then we're gonna save just a little. And we're gonna cook this uncovered. I'd say about 20, 25, maybe 25, 30 minutes. We're gonna cook this uncovered. And hold on, y'all, let me put a bit more. I have to put too much juice. This turkey gonna be definitely juicy. I'm gonna save a little juice for the end. So 25 to 30 minutes uncovered, 350 degrees, going back in the oven. Old school stuff. Turkey legs. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Oh man, 30 minutes in the oven. Look what you get. Now, I'm still not through. You remember that liquid I had left over, that juice I had left over? What I did, like I told you, I'm always in chef mode. I took that juice, I put just a little roux, not a lot, where I can have a more of a sauce than a gravy. See that? Just a little, just tighten up. Just a little. So what I'm gonna do, kind of pour that just over there, just like that. See that? I'm gonna pour all that over there, just like that. And that's gonna soak all into that turkey leg. Look at that. That's why I left the remaining. That's why I didn't try to pour all the juice in there, because I said, yeah, I can use this right at the end when it come out. Look at that, y'all. Just take it to the next level. Take it to the next level. Now, I'm gonna step off. Y'all know I gotta do that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And we're gonna come back, and I promise you, y'all, we're gonna try this out. Like I said, I'm not a turkey fan, but I'll eat the turkey legs and the turkey thighs on Thanksgiving. I'll eat a little bit back. You can have that breast and wing stuff. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Final episode, final segment here. Oh, y'all, let me give me some weapons and joints here. What y'all think? What do you think? Gotta put, you know, I had to put me some cranberry sauce on there, y'all. You already know it. Don't hate. Look at this here, y'all. Gotta find a plate big enough. Look at that nice stuffing. I call it dressing, really. Cranberry sauce there. And you know this turkey leg is completely tender. You saw that when I put the stuffing in it. But like I said, this turkey legs cost me what? $10 for 3 of them? It's a meal. What do you mean? You can feed 3 people for $10. Where can you do that? And you can get filled up on one of these. So, anyway, y'all, enough talking here. Look how tender that is, y'all. Look how that meat is falling off the bone. You can just see that. Look at that. See if I can get a good bite here, y'all. Try to get a good bite of turkey. A little turkey there. Look at that little bone. Look at that there. You can tell that's just tender. That's just tender, y'all. Get a little dressing or stuffing. Some cranberry sauce there. Come in, come in, come in. Come in, cranberry sauce. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that bite there, y'all. Look at that bite going in. Oh my God, y'all. Thanksgiving all rolled up in one. Thanksgiving rolled in one. Like I was telling you, you try to make like a turkey leg hut do. You can make any kind of stuffing. I mean, they creative. They put macaroni and cheese in the turkey. All kinds of cornbread. I'm not a turkey fan, but this turkey really juicy, of course. You know that. Another bite here. Look at this bite. Cranberry, dressing, and turkey. Get a bite there. Get a bite there. Go in there. That's good, y'all. That's good. I can fill you up. I can fill up 2 people, really. 2 people. 2 people and 1 Kenneth. Kenneth probably need 2 chick turkey legs, right, Kenneth? But just to show y'all something different. I've got coming up a lot more different videos and stuff. Being creative. Trying not to get too creative with you, where you just got too over your head. I'm still trying to keep it simple. I'm telling you, this is good, y'all. Simple for y'all. Wow. But anyway, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media account: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed weekend. Love y'all. Bye.